When dealing with large amounts of data, it can be useful to form a grouped frequency distribution. We're going to look at an example here. Here we have a grouped tally chart and frequency table. Note how it's arranged in classes: 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and so on. When fully calculated, the frequencies will go here. So let's begin to do the tally. 40 goes in the first class, 68 in the bottom. 55 doesn't go in this class because it says less than 55. The next class says less than or equal to 55, so 55 itself goes in this class. 52, 43, 61, 47, and 48. Let's move on a bit to a stage where we've actually completed our frequency table. Quite often, when we're presented with a grouped frequency table, we're not presented with the original data. The original data is lost to us. So we know, for example, that we have 12 pieces of data between 40 and 45, and 18 pieces of data between 45 and 50. But we don't know all of the original values. This has implications for calculation of mean, mode, and median.